Hi friends, today we will learn how to create drop-down list in any MS Excel data. Okay, so here I have randomly picked a data which contain name, age and gender. Okay, so now we want to add gender here. For example, Rahul Singh male, Reshma female, Raju Rajput male, David male. So to avoid typing every time and save the time, we will use drop down. For using drop down in MS Excel, first of all we will go to that cell. Okay, then we will go to data field, data tab, then we will go to data validation here, then we will select data validation. Here I need to select list. Okay, in the source column we will type the option which we want in drop down list. For example, here we want male and female, so we will type here male and separate it with comma, then female, FE female. Okay, here that male you can select here from, then female if you want to select female as per. So in drop down you can add many more options as per your requirement. Now in the age column we want here that age should not be less than 18 years. Okay, and I don't want to restrict here, but I want here to display that the age should be 18 years. For that again we will go to data. Firstly we will select that cell. Okay, we will go to the data, then data validation, then we will click on input message. Okay, here I will type age should be not less than 18 years. Okay, the same message I will copy here and paste here. Okay, so if you click here, okay, so this message will appear that age should be not less than 18 years. Okay, so so that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please do like